Think you already know Earth? Think again. From glowing skies you've probably never seen, to mountain chains longer than all the Rockies and Andes combined, hidden beneath the ocean, our planet is full of secrets. You've probably heard the moon orbits Earth, but technically, that's not the full story. Both Earth and Moon actually orbit a shared balance point called the barycenter, located about 1,700 kilometers below Earth's surface. That means Earth itself wobbles slightly as it travels around the Sun. This tiny wobble doesn't just look cool on paper. It affects tides, climate patterns, and even long-term stability of Earth's orbit. So next time you look at the Moon, remember, it's not just orbiting us, we're dancing together. Ask most people what the longest mountain range is, and you'll hear answers like the Himalayas or the Andes. But the real champion, it's hidden under the ocean, the mid-ocean ridge, stretching an unbelievable 65,000 kilometers. That's long enough to circle the Earth 1.5 times. It's a global seam where tectonic plates pull apart and new crust is born. We can only see bits of it above sea level, like Iceland, but the rest remains a colossal, submerged mystery. When you think volcano, you picture lava fountains on land. But here's the wild truth. More than 80% of volcanic eruptions happen underwater. On the sea floor, thousands of hidden volcanoes release magma that cools instantly into strange shapes called pillow lava. These eruptions are usually invisible to us, but they are constantly reshaping Earth's crust, creating new ocean floor and feeding the deep-sea ecosystems that thrive on their heat. The Sahara Desert is hot and dry, sure, but the title of driest place goes to the Atacama Desert in Chile. In some parts, not a single drop of rain has fallen for decades. That's why scientists use it to test Mars rovers, because the soil and conditions are eerily similar to the red planet. And yet, life still clings on in microscopic form, proving that even in the harshest conditions, Earth finds a way. You've heard of the aurora, those dazzling northern and southern lights. But Earth has another kind of glow called airglow. Unlike auroras, which are triggered by solar storms, airglow is caused by tiny chemical reactions in our upper atmosphere. The result? A faint, greenish ribbon stretching across the night sky. It's so dim you can't see it with your naked eye. But astronauts on the International Space Station often capture breathtaking shots of this hidden glow wrapping Earth. Picture the Sahara Desert today. Endless dunes, scorching sun, barren landscapes. But only about 5,000 to 6,000 years ago, it was completely different. Seasonal monsoons transformed it into the Green Sahara, a land of sprawling lakes, rivers, and grasslands where hippos, giraffes, and even humans thrived. Ancient rock art found in caves still shows images of animals roaming where there's now nothing but sand. It's a reminder that even the harshest places on Earth are not fixed. They evolve dramatically over time. We all know thunderstorms flash lightning across the sky, but few people know storms can also fire upward. In the upper atmosphere, mysterious red flashes called sprites and halo-like rings known as elves burst above storms for just a fraction of a second. For decades, pilots reported strange lights in the sky, and scientists thought they were exaggerating. Now we know they're real, proof that Earth's weather is even more electric and bizarre than we imagined. Look around, and it seems like Earth is overflowing with water. But here's the catch: 97.5% of it is salty. only about 2.5% is fresh, and less than 1% of that is water we can easily drink or use. The rest is locked up in glaciers, polar ice caps, or buried deep underground. So, the rivers and lakes we depend on, they make up a tiny sliver of Earth's total water. It's a sobering reminder that this precious resource is far rarer than it looks. Hidden beneath your feet is an underground network, sometimes called the Wood Wide Web. Tiny fungi called mycorrhizae connect the roots of trees and plants, forming a giant information and nutrient-sharing system. Through these fungal highways, older trees can send carbon to younger seedlings or even warn neighbors about insect attacks. It's like a hidden internet of life, showing us that forests aren't just collections of trees, but massive, interconnected superorganisms. Earth's continents are drifting slowly, just a few centimeters per year. But given enough time, those small shifts add up to something massive. In about 200 to 300 million years, the continents will slam back together into a brand new supercontinent. Some scientists call it Amasia, others prefer Pangea Ultima. Whatever its name, it will reshape Earth's climate, ecosystems, and possibly even the future of life itself. It's a reminder that our maps are just snapshots of a planet in constant motion. So, which fact blew your mind the most? The glowing night sky, the Green Sahara, or maybe the hidden mountain range under the ocean? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of Earth and beyond.